years old, and I just got out of Star Wars and I jumped on their bike. I mean, it's awesome. You know, it was exhilarating. I mean, it's not vicious, right? It's comfortable. I mean, it was really comfortable taking off and landing. So there's no like jerky jerk. It's literally very, very smooth, and I can't wait for the future. I'm so excited.